All right, today,
We got this.
you remember what it is?
B12.
B12.
This is Happy Healthy Kids.
That's right.
And subscribe.
Yep, now,
Subscribe on our new channel.
Good job.
That was quiet.
oh, all right, so, B12, we take B12. Why do we take B12?
Because it's good for you.
It is.
It makes you strong.
Yep, and we take,
Yeah.
and we take B12 because we don't eat a lot of meat. Very rarely, here and there, when we feel like our body needs it, or special occasions, holidays, but very, very rarely. So,
Very good for you.
so what B12 is a supplement to help us make sure we get our basic proteins that we need, right? Our trace minerals that our muscles and our brain needs, right? Yeah. And this tastes like grape. It's grape flavor, so it's healthy, it tastes good, and your body needs it, right? All right, Irie, you take a little dropper out. So just take one full dropper, right? Now we don't do it daily. We do it a couple times a week, 2 or 3 times a week. That's good. And we put it under our tongue, right? Meow.
Hey. This.
Good grape flavor? It says grape.
And it tastes like candy.
Yeah.
Candy.
Good job.
It's good.